All right, now, this is the world of fat ass. But the only problem is, it comes with kids that you gotta take care of. It comes with a price, because they ain't never happy, never satisfied. And they always got some kids crying for shit. But this is the type that's got real straight hair, not no weave. And they don't talk to niggas. I mean, Jesus Christ. I will tell you, that's life. This is what you're going to get in America. And I'm not the kind of guy that want to pay for fat ass, because that 250-pound motherfucker trying to get on your dick is not the same thing as she was at 130 pounds, then get pregnant and blow up like that. And you got to feed the motherfucker and the kids. That's some crazy shit. That's crazy. That's crazy. And it's my job to bring you how fucked up it is to be at the bottom layer of the socioeconomic pyramid as a poor black nigga or some goddamn Mexican spit in America. And they got y'all fighting amongst each other for the fucking welfare benefits, and ain't nobody winning but the Jewish white boy. That's it. Bye.